My Katiyo, gamukewere tende my activities. Wake up, mate. We need to catch the bus. Hello? This is like 12 midday and you are still sleeping. Come on. Wake up. This is here for my ATV. So we offer off-road adventure, guys.
Yeah. What did she do when she comes? Yeah.
It's a bit moody there, mate. Are you alright? You alright, mate? Are you walking up?
Yeah.
Where were you sleeping?
I was dying.
The main thing to keep an eye on is your gear lever. Now, on the gear lever, right at the very top is E25.
Zadaję makosa nkachi do drive.
I have a copy with you, Ryan. Over. Yeah, right. Roger. Over.
Did you wrong? Sorry. So we move on. I wanna see you happy and never sad. Please tell me what I did to make you so mad. It's never my intention to hurt your emotions. It's never my intention to cause a commotion. Sorry, baby, I'm sorry. Sorry, baby, I'm sorry. Don't wait for hunger, my friend.
Well, it's never picked the easy way to get up.
That's our hotel day.
At 1.7 kilometers long, and it is all on reclaimed land. So again, just catch my breath. So yeah, it's the shortest commercial runway. Did everyone fly in? Yeah. How was your landing?
Quick.
Yeah. And that's on a good weather day. So on bad weather days, pilots have 3 attempts to land. So as they're coming in, if they can't spot that runway, they have to circle around the back end of Dent Island, try again. 3 attempts, no luck. They got to go back to where they came from, maybe Mackay or maybe Proserpine. Doesn't happen all too often. We did see it happen a bunch over Christmas, New Year with all the bad weather that we had. And more often than not, pilots will come in and by the time they see that runway, it's too late. So they'll touch down and then just take straight back off again, much to the disgust of whoever's on board, I'm sure. But saving grace, guys, pilots do need 15 years flying experience before they are considered to land on our runway. So you are in very safe hands. On the flip side of that though, we did recently have a pilot come on tour with us. He did inform us that our runway here is the most failed flight simulator runway in all of Australia. But you guys are here now, so you don't need to worry about that one, right?
Yeah.
Give it a big slam, man.
Yeah, we can see that.
The water is so warm. Inokupisa kunge bath water. We're currently at Coral Cove Beach. This is our last stop of ATV. I took my shoes off, had a bit of a dip in the water. I did not go full body like some others did here, but anyway, we are about to finish our 1 hour ATV journey. It was bumpy, but it was really fun. It was great to see the island and get a history lesson and things like that. I had to nurse some people out of their what would we call it, mood. Someone was a bit upset that they weren't able to drive because the booking was fully booked. There was only guided ones, as in with someone else driving, not you driving. But it's still fun, it's still great. So, yeah. We went to get some food, did some chicken and chips to share since it's like 3:30. Finished the go-karts, waiting for the bus, and then we're gonna go to our hotel room and relax. How was the ATV? Juaneta?
It was pretty good, so much.
Yeah, today has been the hottest day
That's fun.
thus far. It was 28 degrees, no clouds, nothing. Usually it's about 26 clouds.
No, usually it's been.
Usually it's been 26 clouds. I wouldn't mind actually getting some ice cream from here.